Ever wondered how to streamline your cargo service from China to Pakistan? Imagine a service that isn't just reliable, but also swift and cost-effective. Wouldn't that be a game changer? Welcome to your solution. Our express door-to-door import service is designed to make your life easier. We provide unrivaled reliability, ensuring your cargo reaches its destination safely every single time. Moreover, our service isn't just limited to air transport. We also offer sea and road freight options, giving you the flexibility to choose the method that suits your needs best. Speed is of the essence in today's fast-paced world. With our service, you'll never have to worry about delays. We pride ourselves on our swift delivery times. Your cargo will be in Pakistan before you know it. But what about cost-effectiveness, you ask? We've got you covered. We understand that every penny counts in business. That's why our service is designed to provide maximum value for your money. And here's the cherry on top. In celebration of the spirit of Ramadan, we are offering a generous 25% discount on all shipments over 30 kilograms. So why wait? Seize the opportunity to revolutionize your import process. Avail our cargo service today and enjoy the benefits of reliable, swift, and cost-effective shipping. And don't forget to take advantage of our Ramadan offer. Make the smart choice for your business and your peace of mind.